Hi friends, welcome to CR Digital Classes. Today we are going to understand about trend analysis and try to see one problem. With the help of problem, we will understand clearly how the trend analysis will be helping the organization. So, let us understand what is trend analysis, how it is useful. Trend analysis is a technique uh, with the help of financial statement analysis, or it is a technique under financial statement analysis with which the organization can understand very fairly how the company is performing, what is the performance of the company in the financial aspect. So first of all, when we are trying to do the trend analysis, we should at least cover period of 10 years. So we should cover period of 10 years so that we can understand whether the position of the company is moving in a favorable or positive direction, or it is performing in the negative way. That is, it may be going in a downward way. So when we compare the data, financial statement data related to 10 years, we will try to make 1 year as basis, that is first year. So first year data, that is whatever the figures are there, we should treat the first year as the base. So keeping the first year as base, we will try to determine remaining years appropriately with this base. So first year becomes the base as 100%. So with that base, remaining years we will try to make the determine accordingly, appropriately, so that we can know what is the value or what is the percentage, whether the percentage is more than the base year or percentage is less than the base year. So in this way we try to prepare the trend analysis, that is statement for the trend analysis, and understand. So and also we will have clear picture whether the company, the performance of the company is moving upwards or downwards. So this is the data for understanding a problem. So year wise it is given. In this problem it is taken for 5 years, that is from the year 1999 to 2003. And in the problem the three aspects are taken. One is sales, second one is stock, third one is profit before tax. So here what is the first year? First year in the given data is 1999. So according to our understanding, we have understood first year we should treat it as base. So 1999, whatever data is there, this becomes base. That means sales, 1881 will become base, which we treat it as 100. And in for stock, 709 is base, so we should treat it as 100. And for profit it is 321, we will be treating this as 100. So for after treating it as 100, we should determine each one. That is, for the 2000 year, sales will be like 2340 by, that is current year, divided by first year, that is base 1881, and we want it in the terms of percentage. So we have to multiply with 100 so that we will be getting the answer. And in the same way, for the stock we have to do, that is 781 by 709 into 100. And in the same way, profit, that is 435 divided by 321 into 100. In the similar way for the 2001 also, that is 2655 divided by 1881 into 100, and 816 divided by 709 into 100, and 458 divided by 321 into 100. In the similar way, 2002 and 2003 we have to calculate. Now after calculating, we will be trying to know what is the trend, whether the trend is moving in the upward and downward. Let us see the solution. So here are the this is the format which we have to prepare. First of all, we should mention the amount, then we should mention the trend, so that we can understand easily. Now here I have taken the component wise. First component is sales, second component is stock, third component is profit. So under that I am showing the amount first column, trend percentage second column after calculating. In the same way for stock and the profit. So here you can see these are the base. As I told you, first year in given data is 1999. I am treating this as the base, which I have to considering the data as 100. So you can see already it is placed 100, 100, 100. Then 2000. So when I calculated, that is 2340, 2340 by 1881, which is showing as 124%. In the same way, 781, that is divided by 709, 110%, and 435 divided by 321 is 136. In the similar way, 2001 also, that is 2655 by 1881 is 141%, and 816 divided by 709, it is 115%, and for 458 divided by 321, it is 143. So always we have to take the base year only as a denominator, not the previous year. Okay, when we are calculating 2001 also, you have to take 1881 but not 2340. That you have to keep in mind. Base year should be always denominator. Then 2002, these are the values given, that is 161%, 133%, 164%. And 2003, it is 200%, and also here it is 163%, 209%. Now you can understand whether it is going in a upward direction or downward direction. So as per the given data, it is moving in the upwards in the aspect component of sales. From 100% in the 5 years, it reached 200%. It is doubled. And the second one, stock, also from 100%, it is moved to 163%. It is also in the upward direction. And coming to the profits, it also reached from 100% to 209%, more than double. So all the three components are showing in the upward direction. So we need to give proper interpretation, that is the explanation after doing this calculation. Otherwise, it is not, the people cannot understand what this trend is saying. Now let us see how we have to interpret this analysis. We have done the solution. Now these figures, until unless somebody has give the interpretation, we cannot understand. So let us see what are the interpretations given. So as I told you, the three components are moving in the upward direction. That is, the trend is saying from it is almost doubled. So the sales of the company are increasing in the percentage from 2000, that is 99 to 2003, it is almost double. And stock also, it is increased to some extent, that is almost more than 50% is increased. And coming to the profits, it is again, it is showing double. So from the 100% to 209% is not easy. So the company is performing very well, and we can say the company financial position is in very much sound. Hope you understood this problem very well, and also trend analysis. The question can be expected either in the theory or in the problem. It can be asked in the essay question. Thank you very much. All the very best.